Top employers in Pakistan you must have to apply. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. We'll be discussing the top 10 employers in Pakistan, giving you insights into the companies that offer great opportunities and work environments. Before we dive into the list, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. So let's get started. Pakistan State Oil, PSO. PSO is the largest oil marketing company in Pakistan. With a vast network of fuel stations across the country, PSO provides stable employment and a chance to work in a dynamic industry. 4G Fertilizer Company, FFC. FFC is one of the largest chemical fertilizer producers in Pakistan. They are known for their commitment to employee development, providing numerous training programs and career growth opportunities. Nestlé Pakistan. Nestlé is a global food and beverage company with a strong presence in Pakistan. They are known for their focus on employee well-being and offer a range of benefits and perks, making them an attractive employer. Engro Corporation. Engro is a leading conglomerate with diverse businesses, including fertilizers, energy, and food. They are recognized for their employee-friendly policies and initiatives, fostering a culture of innovation and growth. Habib Bank Limited, HBL. HBL is one of the largest commercial banks in Pakistan, offering a wide range of financial services. With a strong focus on employee development and a supportive work environment, HBL is a preferred choice for many. Pakistan International Airlines, PIA. PIA is the national flag carrier of Pakistan, providing air travel services both domestically and internationally. Working with PIA offers unique opportunities to be a part of the aviation industry and travel the world. Pakistan Telecommunication Company Limited, PTCL. PTCL is the largest telecommunications provider in Pakistan. With a strong focus on employee well-being and a competitive salary structure, PTCL attracts top talent in the industry. Pakistan Army. The Pakistan Army is the land-based branch of the country's armed forces. It offers a fulfilling career with opportunities for personal and professional growth, along with the chance to serve and protect the nation. National University of Sciences and Technology. Finally, we have the National University of Sciences and Technology, NUST. NUST is one of Pakistan's top-ranked universities, known for its emphasis on research and innovation. Working at NUST provides a stimulating academic environment and numerous opportunities for personal and professional development. And that concludes our list of the top 10 employers in Pakistan. Whether you're a fresh graduate or an experienced professional, these employers offer fantastic opportunities and are well worth considering for your career. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Also, let us know in the comments below if we missed any employers that you believe should have made the list. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Take care and keep striving for success.